Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making antipasto pasta salad. You will need 1 pound of tricolor pasta, 1 5-ounce package of pepperoni, 1 4-ounce package of Genoa salami, 1/2 pound of Asiago cheese, 1/2 yellow bell pepper, 1/2 green bell pepper, 1/2 of red bell pepper, 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, 1 6-ounce can of black olives, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1.7-ounce package of Italian seasoning. For the dressing, you will need 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese, 3/4 cups of olive oil, 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of dried parsley, and 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. To a pot of water, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Bring your water to a boil, add the pasta, and allow it to cook for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, remove from the heat and drain off the water. In a large bowl, add the pasta, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. Add the olives and tomatoes. Now add the pepperoni and salami. Add the cheese, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, and mix well. Cover with plastic wrap, then refrigerate for 1 hour. To make the dressing, combine the olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Add the parsley, oregano, and Parmesan cheese, then whisk together until well combined. After 1 hour, remove the pasta from the refrigerator, then add the dressing. Mix well, then it is ready to serve. This pasta salad is full of flavor, and I really hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.